Hey Tom, the weekend is almost over. And then you have to go back to school. Did you finish all your homework?
Yep, and you have to go back to work.
Yeah, that's right.
Dad,
Yeah?
why do you have to go to work? Do you really have to?
Well, yeah, of course I do. If I don't go to work, I won't have a salary.
You mean the money your boss gives you?
Yeah, that's right. And if I don't work, I'll be really bored with nothing to do.
So when I grow up, how do I know what job to do? Should I be a teacher? Or a doctor? Or a race car driver?
Well, you just have to think about what you like to do best. What are your interests? And then you have to think about the skills you have.
Skills? What are skills?
Skills are the special things you know how to do that many other people don't know how to do.
How do I get skills?
Most people have to study or practice to get skills.
I'm really good at video games. Is that a skill?
Well, not really. Lots of people are good at video games. And also, not many people will pay you money to play video games.
That's not true. Some guys on YouTube gets lots of money by playing video games.
Maybe, but not many people, I think. Playing video games isn't a great thing to put on a resume.
A resume?
That's a piece of paper that says what experience and skills you have.
I speak 2 languages. Is that a skill?
Yeah, that's a good example. Not everyone can speak 2 languages. So, when you grow up, you could be a translator.
Or maybe work in another country.
Exactly.
Playing video games.